Don't hang around this neighborhood the rest of your life, cause I'm gonna teach you the street, kid. This way you be twice as smart as everybody else. I learned the saddest thing in life is wasted talent. But what could I be, Dad? Anything you wanna be. Really. Just remember what I'm telling you. Uh-oh, what the hell you yelling about now, huh? Don't waste yours, promise me. I promise that. I told you, I did a good thing, right? That was a good thing, right? You did a good thing for a bad man, son. I did a good thing for a bad man. No!